tables in Google Docs. If you are to create a table, an example is this. Let's assume the whole of this table is not here now, but you want to create it. So let's go back to 0. You go to Insert, you go to Table. Depending on the number of rows or columns, you'll select accordingly. For example, these are 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. You may need to add more as you scroll downwards, or as you hover the mouse, they increase. So it's upon you to select what you need. Let me take only these. You will need to resize some of these if you need. Now what you need to know is you can type in any of the cells by clicking in it. If you want to type in this, you'll type there. If you want to type in this cell, you will need to first click there and then you type. Just as simple as that. Yeah. And then after typing in as many as you want, remember the other step where we chose the number of cells. Then here you have an item. Let me just give an example of a backpack. Backpack. I need an image of a backpack, so I need to click inside the cell. I go to Insert, Image, search the web. You'll type in here the type of image you want, and you'll have to choose through any of these. If this is what you've chosen, click it. Then by clicking it means you've selected it. Once selected, Insert, it will immediately go there. It's upon you to resize so that others can fit on the same page. You can select that image, handle the edges and push it a little bit up, or even make it a little bit bigger or wide. Any of these columns or cells can be moved either side. It depends on what you want. Yeah. So feel free to resize them as you wish. Then after, I'll talk about the shading. The alignment. This image is aligned in the middle, center align. This word or any of the other words, as you may have seen, can also be aligned in the center. By selecting it, you go to this align icon. This is left, center, right, justify. I prefer putting it in the center. Anything can be done on the colors, as you can see. This is text color. You can choose the color you want. And lastly, the text, the background color. So there are 3 dots here which will display more icons on the menu. One is border dash, one is border width, border color. We are interested in the background color, where you can choose any background depending on what you have. You can put a blue background color, you can put a light red color. Yeah, that's it. I think that's enough. It can show you the basics. Then you save it.